Welcome to Ask Auto Trader, where we answer your burning questions. In studio with me today, we have Chad Luckhoff and Martin Pretorius. Gentlemen, welcome. All right, a viewer sent us a question asking, can you fit cruise control to a used car? I think we're going to start with Martin on this one.
Yeah, you can actually do that. The system you can fit, however, will depend on the car to which you'll be fitting it. Older cars with cable actuated throttles, in other words, a cable between the accelerator pedal and the engine, it's actually fairly simple. It's a simple mechanism that gets attached to the throttle with a vacuum actuator to pull it open and closed, with some wheel speed sensors and a small control unit and some wires, and then of course the switch to set it. So that's fairly simple, but it's actually easier now with modern cars, believe it or not, because we have drive-by-wire systems and CAN bus communications.
Let the computer do it for you.
Exactly. It's in its most simple form. It's literally a little box that sits behind the dashboard somewhere, and it ties into the car's own wiring harness. And you tell the car, this thing is here, and you tell this thing, okay, listen, you're going to be working in this car. And it uses the car's own ABS sensors to get the wheel speed or to get the road speed, and it actuates the throttle on your behalf. So it is possible to do it. It is, however, pretty costly.
Yes,
I can imagine that. I just wanted to ask there quickly. I'm racking my brain trying to think of a modern vehicle that has a fly-by-wire system that doesn't have cruise control.
Might, yes.
Okay, so there are a few
Yeah.
smaller vehicles.
Yeah.
You're not going to find it on your larger sedans and that type of thing, because most of those, it's pretty much standard fair cruise control these days.
On Golf, in basic spec, you have drive-by-wire, but you have to pay extra for the cruise control.
Okay, so it's those kind of vehicles.
It's those kind of vehicles. Unfortunately, they all have this centralized CAN bus data network, which allows this aftermarket system to interface pretty much seamlessly.
And work with.
Yeah.
So there you have it. To answer your question, yes, you can fit cruise control to a used car. The question is it financially viable? You might just be better off selling the car you have and buying another car that actually has cruise control. I just think in terms of fitting new buttons and getting a whole new steering wheel for the cruise control controls and so on and so forth, it might just not be worth the effort.
You're probably not going to get that money back when it comes time to resell.
No.
So it's viable. And the only time I can really see it is if you are set on maintaining and driving an older vehicle, but you do great mileage in it.
Yeah.
That's the only time I can really see
if
that.
you're attached to a car, by all means do this. It's a comfort item. It's like tinted windows or flashy mag wheels or something. It's something you like, but just you're not going to get your money back.
So there you have it. Systems that you can buy, they are going to be costly, but yes, it can be done. Well, there you go, folks. Your question answered. If you have a question of your own or a suggestion of something you'd like to see us do, you can head on over to autotrader.co.za, go to the Ask Auto Trader icon, submit your question, and you might just be seeing it in an upcoming episode.